Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable your wireless internet connection in Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8, as well as Windows 7. So if you run on any of these Windows and you want to enable your Wi-Fi or wireless network connection, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do, where you want to turn on or enable wireless internet connection on Windows is click on the Start button, search for Control Panel, then open the Control Panel. Once open Control Panel, make sure View By is set to Large Icon, and then under Large Icon, select Network and Sharing Center. And if your own case, you have the View By set to Category, come here and click on Network and Internet. Under Network and Internet, locate and click on Network and Sharing Center. Once you select the Network and Sharing Center, click on Change Adapter Settings under Control Panel. Then once you click on that, a new tab will open. On the new tab, you should see your Wi-Fi disabled. Now, to enable your wireless internet connection in Windows 10, Windows 11, and Windows 8, right-click and then select Enable. Once you click on Enable, you should see Enabling, and then instantly your Wi-Fi will be enabled. Now, close the Internet connection page, close the Network and Sharing Center page, then go ahead and click on the Network Access here. Then you should see your Wi-Fi. So if you have any Wi-Fi connected before, it should be connected automatically. Otherwise, you should see the Wi-Fi icon here. And you can now go ahead, search for available Wi-Fi by turning on Wi-Fi and then connect to it.